Hello guys, so in this video we'll study about if-else condition and else-if ladder. if in Python you can do comments in with using hash. If you cannot able to see, let me configure this ideally. Highlight. Okay, font. There is some problem because someone told me to increase the font, so I just in Python you can use hash, that is shift 3 to use comment, give comment, like if condition semicolon and then statement. In Python you can give comments also like triple quotes, that is multi-line comment, and using hash you use a single line comment. Next thing about Python is you have to do indentation, that is you have to leave some spaces for, like if let x equal to 1, if x is greater than 0, print yes, it totally looks sense, that is x is greater than 0 colon, we have to use indentation and then print yes. Just run it and you can see yes is printed. Next thing is that condition is like anything, like it can be a number, also a bool value. What is bool value? So if condition takes true and false value, like if true, then print true. It totally makes sense that if condition takes true value, print is true. Another thing is that you have let it be false. Please remember that T of true and F of false is in caps lock. Else it always print false. Another thing, else if ladder. Else if. In Python there is not else if, it is else if, and elif. You understood? Elif. It totally looks sense. Elif, Python short form. So if, that is also false. Else, if both the condition are false, then print last. I did printed last. You can give any condition like if x modulus x equal to 2, if x modulus 2 double equal to 0, print even, or the print even. This is for if else. In next video we will talk about loops. I hope because someone told me to do more interactive and ask, if you have to ask question, you can please leave it on comment. I will definitely answer the answers.